Hey again, and in this video I will show you how to initialize a directory, and I will show it to you in two ways. So first of all, for me I have created a directory I name it tuto, and I will open it with git. Just I will get in git bash here, and it will open git bash in the same position or in the same path as my tutor. So first of all, if I want to create a directory and initialize it with git, I will need it will be in two ways. First of all, if I have the directory is already exist or not. For me, I don't have any directory, so let's create one. It's just like the Linux command line mkdir, and we will for example, let's name demo, and it's created. Now let's go to this website, to this directory, sorry, demo, and for initialize it with git, we will execute the command git init, and just like that we see the master in here. That means that it's initialized with git. I will explain to you master when we will arrive to the branch. Yeah, and that's the first way. If we don't have if we have already the directory created for us, but what if we want to create a directory and directly initialize it in git? So to do that, first of all, let me just close this demo, and after that remove it with rmf and dot demo. Okay, so let's just create a new one. We will git init, and after that we will put the name of the new directory. For example, let's name it demo2. Okay, and it's created. And to know that it's initialized with git, we will go to it, set it demo2, and we see that we have the master. That means that it's directly, or it's initialized with GitHub. I think that's all for this video, and let's go to the other one.